Hi! Hello world! From the Pudilik News, it headlines saying Michele Morone become famous in Polish show business as an Italian hunk who play Massimo in Blanca Limpisca 365 days. Since then, he could be seen more and more often in the saloon in the company of World of Stars. Recently, the Disco Bolo Awards Gala took place in Rome. The event is an Italian celebration of cinema and there was no shortage of the biggest star. Among in the attendance was Michele Morone, who was also there for Jessica Alba. Michele Morone exchanged glances with Jessica Alba. During the event, Jessica Alba was inseparable with Michele Morone, whom she met some time ago on the set of the film Maserati the Brothers. The actors kept sending each other glances, and it was clear that they felt very good in each other's company. Guys, as to what I have said, it's a news from the Pudilik. And we all know not all we see on the flash of the cameras is also the flash of our real life. As to what we all know, Jessica Alba is happily married with her 3 kids. And as of this time, Michele Morone is happy with his family and 2 kids. It's on your eyes and on your mind. What is your reaction on it? Great day everyone! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!